Thank you.
Batang tiyan.
Guys, thank you, thank you. Kiss me a lot. The way you look at me tonight
Sets my world ablaze with light.
sets my world ablaze with light.
Every touch, every sigh,
Every touch, every sigh.
feels like heaven. You and I. But time is fleeting, hearts want
I can get something.
So kiss me now like
So
never
kiss me now like never
before.
before.
Every moment's a treasure, a gift to hold. Your love's the warmth that fights the cold. Don't let this feeling slip
Flying,
through
flying.
the door. Kiss me a lot, let me love you more.
Let me love you more.
Kiss me a lot,
Kiss me a lot more. Kiss me a lot. Let me love you more. No flying. What's that? Flying? Flying kiss? Kiss me a lot. Let me love you more.
The stars above could never compare to the magic we create, the love we share. With every whisper, with every glance, you pull me into a
Minus.
deeper trance. This love we found.
So guys, maraming salamat. Ano na ako. Sis Giseline, okay na sis. 5 minutes na lang. Mag-end na ako. Ano ka pa ng 5 minutes. Ano talaga ako.
Hold me closer, let passion rise, lose ourselves in these endless skies. Forever starts when we explore. Kiss me alive.
Kiss me alive.
Love you more.
Let me love you more.
Kiss me
alive.
Let me love you more. Like the waves crashing on the shore.
Kiss me alive. So guys, thank you guys. Maraming salamat. Si Sophia, salamat si Sophia. Sis Giseline, thank you. Trending, thank you for staying. Thank you, my friend. Thank you. Good night, guys, and God bless you all. Sis Giseline, tulog ka na, sis. It's Atay. Thank you. It's Atay. Sis Bell, Sis Officialicious. Thank you. My admin, Sis Bells. My founder, Color Mix. Thank you. Maring Rons. Thank you, Maring Rons, for the blessing. Thank you all.
Night was still, still, spark ignited, a love
Tito
so
John. Hello, Tito John.